Court restrains DSS from arresting Sunday Igboho. Hello guys and welcome to Chris of Media. This is a channel where we'll be talking about items of news, entertainment and general happenings around town. And to the returning subscribers, I welcome you. And to those who are yet to subscribe, please go ahead, click the subscribe button. The essence is that you will be notified once we drop a new video. It doesn't cost a thing. You can like us, you can share us on any of the platform. Today we're going to be looking critically into the news of items of news with regards court restraining DSS from arresting Sunday Igboho. We all are aware of the current happenings with regards to happenings surrounding these Yoruba Nation activists, Chief Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Chief Sunday Igboho, and the 12 people that were actually carted away during the raid that's on July 1st, 2021. Oyo State High Court has granted an ex parte motion stopping the DSS, that's the Department of State Services, and Attorney General of the Federation from arresting Yoruba Nation agitator Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. The court also restrained DSS and AGF from blocking bank accounts of the Yoruba rights activist. Justice Lydian Akitola gave the order following an ex parte motion moved by his lawyer, Yomi Aliu, SAN, at the court on Wednesday. The court has ordered that he must not be arrested, intimidated, harassed, detained, or killed. The court also said that his account should not be blocked, Yomi Aliu said. The court has proved itself as the defender of the masses. The court has granted permission for him to exercise his fundamental human right of free movement. He can now walk freely as a Nigerian and his house must not be attacked. The AGF is also a party in this case, and I'm sure he will obey this judgment. He is a senior advocate. I urge the government to be law-abiding, he added. Igboho had, through the counsel, Chief Yomi Aliu, SAN, filed an application before the court asking for 5 billion naira damage for the destruction of his cars and residence in Ibadan during the July 1 raid on his residence by the Department of State Services. You guys are aware of the July 1st, and to those of you who are not aware, let me just quickly brief you what happened on the 1st of July 2021. The Department of the State Services went to Chief Sunday Igboho's house on the 1st of July at the ungodly hour around 1:30 to 2 a.m. And they went there with a whole lot of fully armed security services, maybe military or what have you. They actually perpetrated a whole lot of damage, a whole lot of havoc. They killed 2 people, as you can see in the picture, right on the screen there. 2 people were killed. His house was damaged. Fleet of cars were damaged as well, as you can see in the pictures. And 12 people were actually taken with them on that very day. All right. So with what we've gathered, the 12 people have actually spent 32 more days in the custody of the DSS before they were actually granted bail just about 2 days ago. You understand? So they were granted the bail on different conditions. 5 million naira and 2 shorties for 8 persons, and another 10 million naira, 2 shorties for the 4 persons, depending on their condition. They say the 4 people have got something to do with regards to the stockpiling of arms. You can see the picture of the 12 people that were actually carted away by the DSS on the 1st of July at Chief Sunday Igboho's house. And now, the court has actually ruled that the DSS are actually prohibited from going into Chief Sunday Igboho's house. They have been actually prohibited from arresting him, harassing him. He's now a free man to move on the street of Nigeria. Right, so the judge also asked the court to stop Attorney General of the Federation, the DSS, and other security agencies from arresting him or infringing on his fundamental human rights. Igboho had prayed for an order of injunction restraining the respondents, their agents, privates, and associates, and other security forces, or anybody acting on their behalf, or instruction from arresting, detaining, molesting, harassing, or any way of interfering with his personal liberty, freedom of movement of Chief Sunday Igboho, enjoyment of his property without fear of invasion of his home by the respondents and their agents. So that's exactly what the court has ruled, that he should not be arrested, he should not be molested. As you all are aware, that currently Chief Sunday Adeyemo is in Cotonou, due to one reason or the other. He's been at the Cotonou, which we don't want to go into that in details at the moment, because we think most of you are aware of the current happenings surrounding that particular issue. So guys, this is the situation of things at the moment, and quite unfortunate where we have found ourselves in this nation. To be honest, the 12 people that were actually detained, they are not criminals. And I do not see any reason why the DSS should detain these people for those number of days, 32 whopping days in DSS custody, without access to basic amenities like health care, being able to see their families. At some point, their lawyers were unable to see them. We give thanks to lawyer Pelumi Olajengbesi. You can see his picture. He's a very wonderful person. He has been doing a wonderful job with regards to this. Though some people say, yeah, but there is God paid for the job. No. There are some lawyers who even pay them, but they don't carry out their duty accordingly. But this lawyer has been working back and forth, left and right, to make sure that the bail is granted to the 12 people that were actually arrested. I won't call it arrest in a way, because that is not the proper way to actually arrest people. I mean, what offense has these people committed? The criminals are on the street, herdsmen killing people here and there, but have they been arrested? Has anybody been brought to book amongst them? No, but the people who are actually acting, fighting for their human rights are the people that are being arrested now. So if you speak the truth to power now, if you speak the truth that I am tired of this, you are arrested. But then those that are committing the crime are being left to be on their own. You understand what I'm trying to say? They are being left to be on their own. This is totally different. This is totally not acceptable. So that is the current situation of things at the moment, guys. Chief Sunday Igboho has been more or less granted bail. He's been, the DSS have been instructed not to harass him, not to detain. But can we rely on that? We know the Nigeria we are. Can we rely solely on that? Are we sure this is not a game? Are we sure that somebody is not planning something somewhere? All right. All of a sudden you are saying, oh, he's now a free man. Where were you when his house was raided on the 1st of July? Where were you when the 12 people were actually carted away? Where were you when 2 people were killed in his house? Where were you when it was actually carrying out or arranging a peaceful protest round across the southwestern states? Where were you? All of a sudden now, because he has been declared wanted, now you want to say, oh, he's been granted bail, he can now move freely on the street, DSA should not arrest him. Do we not know the kind of government we have in this country? You understand? We know. So until it is over, we don't believe it is over, guys. We don't believe it is over. We don't believe it is over. We don't believe it is over. So this is where we find ourselves at the moment. That's exactly what the court has said. And if we have any further update with regards to these and many others, we will definitely come on this channel to talk to you about them. So guys, just like I said before the beginning of this video, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so. We will be coming in full force to give you updated. We won't come to give you news that we have not verified, news that we have not confirmed authentic before coming here. We will take our time to gather proofs and evidence together on our table, and as soon as we do that, we will definitely bring it to your earrings. We will be coming as well with loads of entertainment. We will be coming as well with different kinds of general happenings. It doesn't necessarily have to be or basically on Igboho's issues only. There are quite a lot of fascinating events as well that you can benefit from, that I can benefit from. There are a lot of interactive sections that will be coming on this channel that we'll be talking about. The essence is that we can learn from one another. You can learn from me. I can as well learn in turn from you. So what that means is that for you to be able to partake of this particular arrangement, go beneath, subscribe to this channel. You will be notified. You can like us, you can share us on any of your platform, and people can actually watch us dialogue with ourselves. And until next time, when I'll be coming your way, I am Chris Sog. and on Chrisog Media we are. Until then, when I'll be coming your way, guys, I'll see you. Bye for now.